My name is Bhogirath Bor, Assistant Teacher of Physics, RKM Vidyapit, Devghar. It was my first YouTube video about the topic electricity. It is useful for CBSE class 10 and ISC and WB board also. Before start the electricity, I will discuss what is electric charge. To understand this thing, we will take a simple example. Take a plastic cup and a small bit of paper. You take it nearby, that it will have no effect on them. Rub the plastic cup with the dry hair and bring it to close small paper bits. You will see that the paper attract to each other. There is something that will be changed in plastic cup. That's why he attracts the small bit of paper. The attracts means there is a creation of some force. Let's the definition. What is electric charge? Charge is that physical property of a substance which causes it to exert as well as experience a force when placed near some another substance. Electric charge are two types. One is positive charge, other is negative charge. Positive charge due to electron deficiency or you can tell as a whole. Negative charge due to excess of electrons. The unit of electric charge in SI is coulomb and CGS is stat coulomb. It is measure or detect using a device is called electroscope. If you take another example to understand this thing, here is the series. You like that you choose the upper any substance to compare with lower. You take upper as positive and lower is negative. Suppose you take glass and rubber. Glass is positive and rubber is negative. The properties of charge. The total charge of universe is conserved. Unlike charge to attack each other, positive negative they are also attack each other, and positive positive, negative negative they are repel to each other. Total charge is a algebraic additive in nature. Charge is always quantized. Q equal to n into E. Here n is the natural number, E is the charge of electron. Here we think the charge of electron is minimum of any substance, and we multiply a natural number to determine the charge of a body. This is called the quantized. Method of charging. Here I will discuss on one topic by conduction. Means you take the two body, a uncharged body and a charged body, and contact it. You show that some electron are transferred from the charged body to uncharged body. This charges the uncharged body. We enter the topic electricity. Electricity plays an important role in making our life more comfortable and enjoyable. What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy that can be easily changed to many another forms. Also, we can tell flow of electron in a circuit. Electric current. Electric current means flow of charge per unit time, per unit second. Rate of flow of electric charge through a conductor. Rate of flow of electric charge is called electric current. I equals to Q by T. Q equal to NE. We know in the previous slide also. Electric current is a scalar quantity. We measure the electric current by a device ammeter which is connected in the electric circuit, a series. Here we take the direction of flow of electron in opposite to the current. Let's start electric potential and potential difference. Electric potential. It is the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a given point in the electric field. It is a scalar quantity and we can define electric potential V equals to W by Q. W here is the total work done, Q is the charge. Electric potential difference, it is simply, we can tell the difference in electric potential between 2 points in an electric circuit is known as potential difference. We measure this use a device voltmeter which is connected in an electrical circuit parallel. Let's start Ohm's law. Ohms says that all the physical conditions like temperature are kept constant, then amount of current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. V varies as I or V equal to IR, R is called the resistance. According to this law, conductor are divided ohmic conductor and non-ohmic conductor. Ohmic conductor means it follow the Ohm's law. Non-ohmic conductor does not follow the Ohm's law. Here the Ohm's law graph, we choose y-axis as a voltage and x-axis as a current. Before you will see that V equals to IR just like of y equals to mx. This is the straight line graph which is passing through the origin. And the slope, here slope is change of y-axis by x-axis. Here change of y-axis means the voltage change by current change. This is the slope and this is equivalent to the resistance of this circuit. Here a ohmic resistor and a non-ohmic resistor. Ohmic resistor I will discuss previous. A non-ohmic resistor such as transistor, many electronic device also use. Resistance and resistivity. A resistance means hindrance to flow of current. Previously we know that V equals to IR, R equal to V by I, and SI unit in volt per ampere is called ohm. The reciprocal of resistance is called conductance. Can I say that when the low current, high resistance, low resistance, high current? What is the factor affecting the resistance, we simply remember this formula R equal to rho L by A. Here L is the resistance. Here L is the length of the wire and A is the cross-sectional area. We see that resistance is proportional to the length. If we take a length 2 meter, its resistance are also a 2 ohm and reciprocal to the cross-sectional area of the conductor. So we can write R equal to rho L by A. Rho is the resistivity or specific resistance. R equal to rho L by A, we choose L1 and A1, it's become R equal to rho specific resistance. It's only, it depends on the material of the conductor. It is also known as resistivity. Here is the resistivity table. Discuss silver, copper, gold, aluminum, tungsten, iron, etc. Type of resistance. There are two types of resistance: fixed resistance, variable resistance. Fixed resistance means that does not change. Variable, this resistance can be easily changed by changing the area of cross-sectional and length. Rheostat is a variable resistance, and here is the fixed resistance. Electric circuit and its components. Electric circuit, here is the two types of electric circuit. One is closed circuit and another is open circuit. Open circuit, there is no flow of current. Here we are always choose the closed circuit current flow continuously. Electrical circuit symbols. An electric cell we choose positive and negative is 1, and battery we choose more than 2 electrical cell. There is also another electrical bulb, ammeter, voltmeter, etc. Measuring device. Ammeter. Previously we discussed ammeter is useful to measure the current of a circuit. So we can choose to connect in a circuit in series. Here we choose the ammeter resistance is very much small so that it does not affect the current flowing through the circuit. We choose the positive side of the ammeter is connected to the positive side of the battery and vice versa. Another device is voltmeter. Voltmeter means we measuring the potential difference across. So we choose the voltmeter is connected in parallel to the circuit. The positive side of the voltmeter is connected to the positive terminal of the cell and also vice versa. Let's using the Ohm's law, we are discuss here combination of resistance. There are two types of combination: series combination and parallel combination. Let's start in series. You think the Ohm's law equation V equals to IR. At first you choose which quantity is constant here, V or I or R. Here we use in series the variable is a resistance and we measure the voltage also on each resistors. We know that in series the current in all the resistors is same, so the total voltage across the resistors is equal to the sum of the voltage across of each resistor. So we can write V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3 and put the value V equals to IR. You will get the total resistance RS equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. RS is the series combination resistance. Let's start in another topic, resistor in parallel. Parallel, here is the 2 point A and B. We connect all the resistors. 2 point fixed means here the voltage is fixed. So voltage is fixed, another two device, another two measurements I and V is changeable. You see in your daily life, in your home, that if the bulb is not working, another device also working because it was connected in a parallel combination. So here the voltage in all the resistor is same. Total current is flowing through bulb, fan and etc. I equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. We know V equals to IR. Put this value 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. If we take the two resistance R1 and R2, the equivalent resistor in parallel Rp equals to multiplication by addition R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Let that is some difference series versus parallel. If one of applicants is switch off, another also do not work in series. If one is appliance is switch off, another work independently and so on. Let's start on another topic, electric energy. Energy, before electric potential, use the equation V equals to W by Q. Electrical energy, just like of similar of work done. So Q equals W equals to Q into V. We already know Q equals to I into T, and put V equals to IR. We get W equal to I square RT. It is the same unit of work done in SI. It's called joule. On another topic, electric power. Power's rate of work done. P equals to W by T. W equals to, we previously know that I square RT, put the value and get P equal to VI, P equals to IR and P equal to V square by R. The SI unit of power is watt. Let's start another topic, effect of electricity. What will cause when the current is flowing through the electrical circuit? Discuss about this topic. Heating effect of electric current. We already know this previously. H equal to I square RT. Heating effect of electric current. When an electric current flowing through a wire, the wire heat up. Electrical energy has been converted into heat energy. If we choose greater the resistance of the wire, greater amount of heat is produced. The heating effect is used in common electrical appliances, just like iron kettle and etc. Heating effect of electric current, also another uses, filament. The Heat filament, which is also a resistance wire, becomes so hot that light is also emitted. Another uses of electrical current in chemical effect, we already know the electrolysis. When a electric current passing through the solution, there is some change of chemical charge is produced. Electroplating and uses of electrical plating in many applications. Also another effect of current, that is called magnetic effect. We already know when the current passing through the wire, the magnetic field is produced around this wire. If you realize this thing, you can take a compass and you see the deflection, that you can say that electric current has an effect of magnetic field. Electromagnet, an electromagnet is a magnet that is made using electricity. It is also a temporary magnet. When the electricity is off, it does not work. We increase and decrease the power of the magnet. There is some difference of electromagnet and magnet. Thank you.